Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're working on project number 4 using the Sweet Springtime February 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Here's a reminder of what the kit makes. Now, if you haven't seen the unboxing and the making of these projects, go back on my videos and find it and watch the unboxing and demonstration of this, okay? So before we get started on project number 4, let's go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we start off with our March Paper Pumpkin Kit, Memorable Meadows, that includes a free stamp set, makes 9 cards, and has a garden green stamping spot. And if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can purchase the Love of Spring Dies add-on for $12. The number is 164396. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate boxes from the USPS that I have stuffed full of my new and used, all retired Stampin' Up product, okay? I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail in the USA. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com or go to my blog and click on the picture of this flyer. My blog address is honeybeestampinghive.com. Lastly, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order reaches $150 or more before shipping and tax. If you reach $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Okay? Speaking of freebies, in the month of February, we also have celebration going on. So if you spend $50 or more, or for every $50 or more you spend, you can earn free celebration products. Okay? So don't forget about that either. Let's go ahead and get started on our project. We are going to start by stamping the inside of our card and the sentiment for the front of our card. So I have some early espresso ink here, and we're going to stamp on this little piece. This is a part of the card front. I cut a piece, and it is 2 by 3/4. And we're going to stamp Happy Easter, and I'm going to try to get it close to the top of that paper like that. Then we have the little bunny that comes in our stamp set. And I'm going to stamp on this white for the inside that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. We're going to put that bunny right there. Isn't that so cute? Okay. Then I am going to color this in. I'm going to get some light petal pink. And we're just going to roughly put some color on the inside of the bunny's ears. Do the little nose. Okay. And then I'm going to take light crumb cake. And we're just going to do a rough color. Just like we did for the other cards when I did the little chick. Just doing a little rough color. Doesn't have to be colored all the way in. Color the tail a little bit. Just make it like a dirty, fluffy tail. Then I think I'm going to take some of the dark crumb cake and just go over where it'd be a little darker. Just some spots there. That's all. Just trying to, let's see. Just to give it some character in the inside. Okay, so for the inside, we have a piece of early espresso that is 5 by 3 3/4 that we're gonna go ahead and mat our white piece to. And then we're going to stick this on the inside of our card base, which is, Daffodil Delight, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Let's see. I think I want it this way. We're going to just set that inside there. And while I have this, I'm going to go ahead and stamp on the back of this using my personalized stamp, just so I won't forget, because I forget, then I have to go back and stamp like 50 cards. Not really, but you get it. Okay, so that is our stamping done. So now we have a piece of the card front that this paper came from at the top here. I cut this down to 3.25 by 3 3/4. Oh, it's right there. 3.25 by 3 3/4. And we're going to place this on some Moody Mauve that is 3 3/8 by 3 7/8. Sometimes I forget I write the measurements down and I'm trying to remember them. So we're going to put that just like that. Just like that. Then I have a piece of Early Espresso that is a 1/2 inch by 5 1/4. And we're going to take our Banner's Pick-a-Punch and we're going to banner the ends of this Early Espresso. Now, I'm not going to push it all the way in like this because I want to keep the length. So I'm just going to pull it back a little bit and try to keep it centered to banner the ends. Just like that, okay? So we did that. Then I'm going to take, let me burnish this down with our bone folder so this score line will stay down. We're going to have, we have a piece here that is, what is this? This is, did I write it? 1.5 by, and we're going to cut it down to 5.5. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy I wrote that down because I was not going to remember the size of that. Okay. I don't know how much longer this is. So we're not going to put this all the way to the bottom, but very close, maybe like 1/4 or 1/2 inch up. Okay. Let's take our scissors and cut off this extra that's hanging over the side. And this is from the envelope, one of the envelopes for the mini slimline. So then we're going to take our Early Espresso piece here and we're going to glue this on here, try to get it in the middle, side to side. And we're not going to put it in the middle going up and down, but we're going to have just a little bit of it above this piece. Okay, so then we're going to put some glue at the bottom of this sentiment. And we're going to glue that on the side of this, pretty much at the top. Just like that. And I want to try to get it on here straight. Whoop. Trying to make sure it's even. Then we're going to glue this together onto the front of the card. Okay, and I want to bring this down a little bit and try to center it there, like that. Okay, then we're going to use some of the flowers from the kit, and I've already gone ahead and put dimensionals on the back, and we're going to pop these flowers right onto the flowers that are on here already. So we're going to pop some flowers on. This one will be right there. And we have this one. We're going to put it here. This one, I think I want to put it a little ways down to make it look like it's coming off of something else. Okay. And then I have some of our 2023-2025 in color dots. We are going to use these with my Take Your Pick tool because did I tell you the color of this is Moody Mauve? So Moody Mauve is one of our new in colors. So I'm going to take some Moody Mauve dots here. If I can hold on to them. And where do I want to put them? I think I'm going to put 2 over here. Get a small one like that. And then we'll put one on the opposite side right here. Like that. And that is our card done. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? This is project number 4, the alternate from the paper pumpkin kit. Don't forget to come back for 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, because I did make 10 alternate projects. So don't forget to come back to watch those videos. Okay? But that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.